Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's lecture, I'm going to start the new chapter that is about the drilling machine. Now, you all have seen the drilling machine, and in this chapter, you will come to know about the drill tools used, what are the various types of drilling machines, what are the n- drill tool design and its nomenclature, or the we can say the various components or the parts of the drill machine. Now we will start off with the first, what is drilling. So first here, introduction, purpose and field application of the drilling machine. So first, what is drilling? So drilling is process of making a hole or enlarging a hole an object by forcing a rotating tool called drill. Now there are two things. First one is the creating one hole, and second one is for enlarging existing hole by forcing a rotating tool, which is called as drilling. So drilling is generally sometimes called as the twist drill, since it has sharp twist edges formed around a cylindrical tool provided with a helical groove along its length to allow cut material to escape through it. The sharp edges of the conical surface ground at the lower end of rotating twist drill cut the material by peeling it circular layer by layer when forcing against a workpiece. So here you can see in the figure how a twist drill is used for creating hole. Now to remove material, chips gets curled and escape through the helical grooves provided in the drill. A liquid coolant is generally used while drilling to remove the heat of friction and obtain a better finish for hole. Why liquid coolant is used? For removing heat and better finish. And from where the chip remove from the helical grooves provided in the drill. Over here, these are the helical grooves from which the chip removes. Now the power operated machine tools, which holds the drill in its spindle rotating at high speeds and when manually actuated to move linearly simultaneously against the workpiece produces a hole, is called as a drilling machine. Now here the definition of drilling machine is given. What is a drilling machine? So drilling machine is a power operated machine tool which holds drill in its spindle rotating at high speeds when manually actuated to move linearly simultaneously against workpiece producing a hole. Now, the drilling machine is one of the simplest, modern, and accurate machine tool used in production shop and tool room. It consists of a spindle which imparts rotating motion to drill or mechanism for feeding the tool into a work, a table on which the work rests, and a frame. So these are the component of the drilling machine. So what it contains? It consists of a spindle which imparts rotary motion, while other mechanism for feeding the tool into work, and one thing we required is a table on which the workpiece can rest and a supporting frame. Now we will see the classification of drilling. So the first type of classification is according to the type of shank, that is the parallel shank or taper shank. We will see what is shank in the nomenclature portion, but based on that it is parallel and taper. Then according to type of fluids, the flat or spaced drills, that is the parallel longitudinal fluids, then twist drills, that is the spiral or helical fluid. Here in the figure you can see this is the helical or spiral type of fluids, while for flat faced it is having the parallel straight lines. And according to length, there is short series drill, then stub series drill and long series drill. Then according to application, there is core drill, drill for long hole drilling, center drills, masonry drill, and according to tool material, there is high speed drills, carbide tipped drills. After that, these are the five types of classification based on shank, flute, length, application, and tool material. Next type of classification is the next thing is the specification of a drilling machine. Here in the classification, you can see there are total five types: shank type, flute type, length, application, and tool material. Now, the specification of drilling machine is to contain the size of drilling machine. What will be the size of drilling machine? The largest beat machine can hold. Largest beat means the tool we can use on it, then the maximum size of the hole that can be drilled, then maximum size of workpiece that can be handled, and the power of motor, spindle speed or feed. So these are the various specifications of a drilling machine. What will be the size, largest beast, then the maximum size of the hole and maximum size of workpiece that can be drilled, and power of motor, spindle speed or feed. Next is the various types of drilling machines. After the classification, the actual drilling machines are here listed. There are, the first one is the portable. We can move it around to any position. You might have seen the portable drills at your home when for any drilling purpose. Then sensitive or bench drill, upright drilling, radial drilling, gang, turret, then deep hole, multiple spindle and automatic. So these are the types of drilling machine. We will see one by one. First one we will see, start off with the portable drilling machine. Now, what is portable drilling machine? Portable drilling machine you might have seen at your home when any work is going on or the drilling or fixing any uh, part. Okay, so portable drilling machine is a very small, compact, self-contained unit carrying a small electric motor inside. सो जो पोर्टेबल ड्रिलिंग मशीन होगा उसके अंदर सेल्फ कंटेनिंग यूनिट, उसके अंदर एक इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर होगी और वो कॉम्पैक्ट होगा. यहाँ पे जो पार्ट्स मेंशन किए गए हैं वो है इलेक्ट्रिक स्विच, देन द आर्म इज फॉर होल्डिंग, मोटर हेड, देन ड्रिल चक एंड ट्विस्ट ड्रिल. It is very commonly used to drill holes in following two cases: when the component is bigger in size such that it cannot be shifted to shop floor, and when the space is restricted so that no other type of drilling machine can be used. Usually they are made to hold drills up to maximum diameter of 12 mm. However, portable drills of up to 18 mm diameter capacity are available. सो जो ड्रिल यहाँ पे कॉमनली पोर्टेबल ड्रिल कहाँ पे यूज़ होगा, जबकि सबसे पहला यूज़ क्या है, when the component is bigger in size. So जहाँ पे हम शॉप फ्लोर पे शिफ्ट नहीं कर सकते, और दूसरा when the space is restricted, जहाँ पे स्पेस की कमी हो, जहाँ पे हम ड्रिल मशीन रख नहीं सकते और वहाँ पे कोई दूसरा ड्रिल मशीन हम यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, वहाँ पे हम पोर्टेबल ड्रिल यूज़ करेंगे। यहाँ पे उनकी कैपेसिटी दी गई है, व्हाट इज द कैपेसिटी, जो मैक्सिमम डायमीटर की कैपेसिटी यहाँ पे 12 mm है, और जो पोर्टेबल ड्रिल्स है वो अप टू 18 mm diameter capacity are available. Next type of drilling machine is sensitive or bench drilling machine. Now there are light duty machines used in workshop. जो वर्कशॉप में आपने देखा होगा नॉर्मली कि जो ड्रिलिंग मशीन्स यूज हो रहे हो वो कौन से होंगे, सेंसिटिव और बेंच ड्रिलिंग मशीन्स. Now they are normally mounted on workbenches, and hence the name is given them as the workbench or sensitive drilling, as the operator can feel the cutting operation while applying pressure using feed lever. The machine is known as sensitive drilling. यहाँ पे जो फीड लीवर है, ड्राइव ड्रिल फीड हैंडल, उससे जब हम प्रेशर अप्लाई करेंगे यानी कि होल जब कट करेंगे ड्रिल करेंगे, तब क्या होगा कि जो ऑपरेटर है वो यहाँ पे प्रेशर फील कर पाएगा. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज द सेंसिटिव ड्रिलिंग मशीन. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ द कास्ट आयरन बेस, जो बेस इज मेड ऑफ कास्ट आयरन विथ वर्टिकल कॉलम माउंटेड ओवर इट. यहाँ पे एक वर्टिकल कॉलम होगी. Then the vertical column is made of hollow steel pipe on which the table slides up and down. Now this vertical column is made of hollow steel pipe and the table is mounted over here, and we can clamp it to any position as we require. The table can be fixed to the required position by means of table clamp. जो table clamp दिया गया हो उसकी मदद से हम उसको फिक्स कर सकते हैं. अदर पार्ट्स कंटेन्स द ड्राइविंग mechanism, that is the motor and pulley that is used to drive the spindle, and the spindle is holding the chuck, and chuck is used to hold the drill. Now this is the drive feed mechanism, column, table clamp, and this one is the base. So this is very simple diagram of sensitive or bench drilling. Now the table can also be swung radially at any desired position, because the column is here the circular or round, so the table can be swing to radial direction as well. The top of the column house the drive consists of the endless belt running over the V belt. जो यहाँ पे टॉप है, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि जो टॉप ऑफ द कॉलम हाउसिंग है वो यहाँ पे एंडलेस बेल्ट माउंट किया गया होगा, रनिंग ओवर वी बेल्ट. यहाँ पे वी बेल्ट हम यूज करेंगे, शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस है उसकी वजह से वी बेल्ट हम यूज करेंगे. Based on the speed of the spindle required, V belt can be shifted to different grooves of the pulley. जो रिक्वायरमेंट होगी हमारी स्पीड की, मतलब हमको कितनी स्पीड चाहिए, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम बेल्ट है उसको शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम वन पुल्ली टू अनदर. टू ड्रिल स्मॉल डायमीटर होल्स, a twist drill is fitted in the drill chuck. यहाँ पे स्मॉल डायमीटर होल के लिए जो हमारा ट्विस्ट ड्रिल है वो यहाँ पे फिक्स किया गया है, विच इन टर्न फिट्स इनटू स्पिंडल ऑफ मशीन, और वो यहाँ पे मशीन की स्पिंडल में फिक्स होगा. इफ द ड्रिल साइज इज मोर, द ट्विस्ट ड्रिल इज डायरेक्टली फिटेड इन द टेपर्ड पोर्शन ऑफ द स्पिंडल. अगर ड्रिल की साइज बड़ी होगी तो ट्विस्ट ड्रिल को हम डायरेक्टली ही फिट करेंगे टेपर्ड पोर्शन ऑफ द स्पिंडल में. The spindle can be moved up or down by means of the ड्रिल फीड हैंडल और लीवर। और जो हम ड्रिल को अप एंड डाउन जो मोशन है यहाँ पे वो फीड मैकेनिज्म के थ्रू देंगे। This design is used to drill hole from 1.5 mm to 15 mm diameter, and the control are light and delicate speeds from 800 to 900 rpm of typical range. So this is about the sensitive or bench drilling. In next lecture we will see about the upright drilling, radial drilling and remaining drilling machines. So this is it for today's lecture. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. Have a nice day.